It's a double upload day, motherfuckers. So yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Fivoe, aka the MF Crooked Cop. If you saw the last video, you should know that I came to buff that today, but kinda like it, so I'm leaving it. But what I did do is I buffed Boss's piece out, like I said in the other video, because kinda went into him a bit, so rather than just take out a bit of it, I took it all out so it didn't, you know, ruin it. So yeah, we'll make advantage and we'll do that well. So I'm going to dedicate this piece to my little pickle man, aka my dash hund, who is currently still in hospital. I think we're getting back tomorrow. He's had his spine operated on because he blew a disc, but hopefully he'll be alright. Gonna be following him around, wiping his arse and shit, Anna. It's like having a kid. Anyway, this one's for the pickle. Run it.
I think it's about time for me to hit these against upside the head with some of that West Coast gangster shit. Oh, wait.
It's a whole nother day. I'm back up in you, Snoop Deagle Double G. I represent. Been away for a while, but you all know I'm still doggy styling on death row. Got shit locked down, sold up. So if you plan on coming out, nigga, hold up. It's a stick up, dick up. They got your shit on the shelf, on mine is too. And guess who they gon' pick up? Some niggas think they know they shit, but they don't. Some inmates escape, some won't. Bumping heads with niggas. Where you from? East Side, Long Beach, nigga. 2-1. The homie just got parole, and he got more stories than the highway patrol. Telling me about the money Suge Knight stole, but don't let that shit leak. A nigga eye get swole. Niggas trying to get in to get at me. Put me up on game, telling me who gon' jack me. But ever since I was a puppy, till I was full grown, I never had no other dog pulling on my phone.
Say Snoop upside your head. 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 Say Snoop upside your head.
Niggas in the game be doing way too much, acting tough with this East-West Coast stuff. See me? I'm all about my money, man. I stay fly and dry, I don't get caught up in the rain. Cause game, recognize game. No matter where you from, we all can get dumb, insane, and turn the party out, without a doubt. Unless you the niggas who ain't got no clout. LBC and B, where are my crew? Cause we out there smoking on the crazy glue. Upside your head, like oops, snoops, the shit that you hear 'em bumping in the coops. Can't afford it, homeboy, this is vintage. I represent it from V8 to Venice. So when it's timid and cold outside, rely on the doggy dog to put the heat in your lives. LBC, baby girl, we rock the party. Snoop Deagle Double G, LBC, baby boy, we rock the party. Snoop Deagle Double G, LBC, baby girl, we rock the party. It takes a whole lot to be number one. I can't walk down the street without my gun. I can't trust these niggas, Pooh, it ain't no fun. I'm sitting up in court, cause somebody got done. What really counts is how the crowd bounce. Go home and say, Snoop rock the party. Nobody got killed is what got announced. I guess they got a chance to see Dr. Bombay. But I keep my heat in case niggas get cold. Warm you up with the sheet, zip you up and roll. Now, Doggy Style Records is now official. Getting money out the biz ain't with my initials. Shipping records overseas, I'm making G's with who you may call enemies. But I see nothing funny about making money, cause we all know it don't grow on trees. So I gotta get what I gotta get when I can. Up early in the morning with the Gap band, burning rubber down to get a new car. So don't get jealous when you see me in the double R.
go. Redeem myself. I've redeemed myself. Yeah, man, I don't know, man. I've not painted like a funk letter in a while. I don't know, man. I seem to be better at juicy things than I do at anything else, so whatever. Too many drips in the E. Whatever, you know. I normally don't outline drips, but thought we'd try it. Kinda works, kinda doesn't. Who knows, man? Who knows? It's all playing about, isn't it? Look at me pickle, man. Look at him. Oh, he's cool as fuck. And just in case my missus actually sees this, I put his crease face in because he has a little crease across his face. So gangster, gangster. I've never actually painted a gherkin before. You know, pickle, gherkin, whatever. I've never actually painted one before, but it turned out all right, man. Guesswork and shit. But yeah. Thanks to Reasum as well. I had to squash the piece in and I was going to kind of put the dog further down and point him more out, but out with it, man. The nose balances out the F pretty well. Sweet, even though it does kind of look like my dog's shouting him out. Whatevs, man, whatevs. Anyway, you know the crack, man. Comment on it, let me know what you think. Oh yeah, before I forget, seeing as I now have to pay for Yondermon's surgery, it's going to be a bit slack on the painting. I've got quite a bit of a stock left, so I might just have to be someone's little spliff star and focus on characters. Probably Nerds, man. I'll just put characters on his stuff for a while and big him up, but whatever, man, whatever. Oh yeah, you know the drill. Get me MF Crookie Cop on Instagram should you so wish, and if you like the shit, you like the shit. If you love the shit, you share the shit. And if you're down for going out and shouting out your dog better than you've shouted out anyone before, then just subscribe to the shit. And don't forget to flick said little chap who's going to appear about here. Yeah, until next time, motherfuckers, pea fucking soup. Cue my motherfucking music.